Introducing Text Blasting, LobbyFox's mass communication tool. To access Text Blasting, go under Visitors, and then Text Blasts. Here you'll find 3 tabs: Scheduled Text to Go Out, the ones you've already sent, and Templates. Let's create a new one. From the builder, you can schedule messages, build templates, or send a message now. Let's send a message now. Just for an example, I'm going to send a message to myself saying, "Good morning." From the moment you press send, you have a 15-second countdown. You can pause this if you want to make an edit before the message goes forward. Then, click play to restart the 15-second countdown timer. Now that we've sent a text message, we will be able to find that under the Sent tab. This will hold a record of every message you have ever sent. Next, let's create a template. Be sure to select Create a Template under Type. We'll name this one Hayden's birthday, and it will be a reminder for everyone that there is a surprise party for Hayden tomorrow. You can choose from visitors, employees, or departments. For this message, we will select Employees, and select All to target the entire company. It will now show that every employee has been added to the text blast. Since it's Hayden's birthday, we can just subtract him from the list. Now this message will go out to everyone in the company except for Hayden to remind them about the surprise birthday party tomorrow. Save the template. To send a message from a template, we need to schedule it or send it now. Let's schedule a message and we will pull from the template Hayden's birthday. Since the party is tomorrow, let's remind everyone at the end of the day about it, so schedule it for 5 p.m. today. Now our message is scheduled to go out to the entire company except for Hayden this afternoon at 5 p.m. Something important to note before you begin using this text blasting tool is you need your employees to opt in to your text messaging system. Please schedule some time with your LobbyFox representative to discuss this. For any questions about this feature or to schedule a demo of the LobbyFox system, please visit LobbyFox.com.